Sa gitna ng modernong gulo ng Hong Kong, may isang lugar na tila hinugot mula sa isang ancient poetry. Tahimik, banal, parang pahingahan ng puso. Ito ang Shilin Nunnery, isang sanctuary ng spiritual calm at architectural brilliance. Alam mo ba, Shilin Nunnery was originally built in 1934 pero totally rebuilt noong 1998 using the ancient Tang Dynasty style. Yes, as in more than 1,000 years old ang peg. And here's the fun part. Walang kahit isang pako ang ginamit sa pagkakagawa nito. Lahat ay interlocked wood. Tawag dyan ay dugong, isang ancient Chinese construction technique. Matibay kahit may lindol. Parang ikaw na kahit ilang beses masaktan, buong-buo pa rin. Sa loob, makikita mo ang bronze, gold, at sandalwood statues ni Buddha at ng mga Bodhisattva. Kasama na ang Guanyin, ang goddess of mercy. May lotus pond din na sumisimbolo ng purity at rebirth. It blooms in mud pero bumabangon ng maganda. Hugot, hindi porkit madumi ang pinanggalingan mo, hindi ka na pwedeng maging maganda ulit. The buildings are designed to embody harmony, serenity, and natural flow. A literal architecture embodiment of Buddhist values. Ang Shilin Nunnery ay matatagpuan sa Diamond Hill, Kowloon, right beside the equally stunning Nanlian Garden. Perfect combo sila, parang past at present na nagkakasundo. Shilin Nunnery opens from 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Libre ang entrance. So if you want peace without breaking the bank, ito na yon mga besh. Siyempre, dapat respetuhin natin ang lugar. And here are a few do's and don'ts para hindi tayo maokray kapag nag-visit tayo sa Shilin Nunnery. Do dress modestly. Tandaan, hindi ito fashion week. And of course, do keep quiet. Huwag tayo masyadong nagsisigaw, hindi ito cheering competition. Don't take selfies inside the prayer halls. And most importantly, don't bring foods or drinks. Hindi ito picnic grounds, be. Remember, this is a functioning nunnery, not just a tourist site. Always remember yung big R natin. Respect. Shilin Nunnery isn't just a place. It's a living reminder of Chinese heritage, spirituality, and minimalistic beauty. Ang bawat haligi at kahoy na piraso dito ay parang paalala. Hindi kailangan maging magarbo para maging makabuluhan. Kung minsan, sa katahimikan natin naririnig ang tunay na mahalaga. Maybe, peace isn't something we find outside. Maybe, it's something we return to inside. After visiting Shilin, don't forget to stroll through Nanlian Garden. Kasama talaga sila sa buong layout ng lugar. It's like walking into a painting. May waterfalls, may pagoda, may old-style bridges. It's very Instagram-worthy. pero full of soul. Kung mag-post ka man, sana may caption na, sa gitna ng ingay, natutunan kong mahalaga pala ang katahimikan. So next time when you're in Hong Kong, don't just shop, eat, and run. Take time to pause, reflect, and feel the rhythm of something older than time. Sa Shilin Nunnery, hindi ka lang turista, isa kang kaluluwang naghahanap ng kapayapaan. At dito, baka ito na ang matagal mong hinahanap.